You've got a great website. It looks good, it works well, and it's bringing in customers. But here's what most business owners don't realize. Websites need care, just like cars need oil changes. Think about it. Your website runs 24/7, handling visitors, processing forms, and showing off your business. Over time, things start to break down. Software gets outdated, security holes appear, pages start loading slower, and before you know it, that website that was working so well is now pushing customers away. That's where our website maintenance service comes in. We're like your website's personal mechanic, keeping everything running smoothly so you don't have to worry about it. We handle all the behind-the-scenes stuff: security updates, software patches, speed optimization, and regular backups. We monitor your site around the clock, catching problems before they become disasters. Because the last thing you want is to wake up and find your website is down, or worse, hacked. But it's not just about fixing problems. We also help your site get better over time. We update content, add new features, and make improvements that keep your visitors happy and engaged. A broken website costs you money. Every minute it's down, every slow loading page, every security issue, that's potential customers walking away. But with regular maintenance, your site stays fast, secure, and reliable. And let's be honest, you've got a business to run. The last thing you want to worry about is whether your website is working properly. That's our job. While you focus on growing your business, we make sure your website is always doing its job too. So if you want peace of mind knowing your website is in good hands, and you want it to keep performing at its best, we're here to help. Don't wait until something breaks. Let the Inteloraa team take care of your website maintenance, so you can focus on what you do best. Reach out by phone or email, and let's keep your site running like a dream.